Alright, here's the ice starting to go out on Beach Hill Pond. April 18th. So it won't be long and the summer people will be coming back. Down into the cove. Wind is what's going to help get it all out of here. Alright. Camp Bud, Camp Mike, signing off.